Hey, kids!
Mom?
What the? Oh, it's so cold! What have you done? That's it! It's time to go out! I'm glad I did those extra days in the gym. And stay out!
Mom!
What's going on?
This is so unfair!
I'll build my own house. How hard can it be? So far, so good. Ouch! Almost done. Oh, little birdie. Ew. Guess I need a roof. What? A snake. I hate snakes. Yeah, roof will protect me. I need a room with a view. Mwah. Perfect. There. Everyone will know this is my house.
Hey, who turned off the sun? Harley, I should have known.
Oh, hey, Joker.
Harley built that? How? Oh. I'll make my own house from an umbrella. Woo! Time to get to work. Wow, that was quick. Look, Harley.
When did you make it? He makes me so mad.
It's just like this. Hey, guys, it's building time. Let's do this. I'll clip these wooden poles into this frame. Now, I'll tie the fabric right here, but I'm not finished. I don't need a shower room. This will do for a roof. Manicure impressed. So cozy. It is. My old puppets. Wow, all the colors. There's so many. Ooh, strawberries. Ooh, Hey, what are you doing in here? I'll cut the puppet right here. And I need these fairy lights. I hate plants. That's better. I'll push the lights through the puppet. Here's another one. Ooh, just what I need. That was pretty convenient. Ew, so sticky and gooey. Okay, that was a bad idea. I'll put the glue along the puppet. I'll need a lot. Now I'll press them together. It's a puppet sandwich. Wow, I love it. Puppet, more like top lid. Yeah. Huh? Oh, great. Oh, get off. Oh, what should I do? Uh-oh, this glue's too sticky. At least that's off. I'm going home. I'll hang my lights right here. It's amazing. I should sell these to my supervillain buddies. I'm a genius. Poplet, what a bright idea.
Oh, I'm jealous. Oh, I'll cut this crepe paper. That's exactly what I want. Now I'll put some wire through it. My palm leaf is ready. These are great. I need to pull them in this pole. This is such a good idea. I'll plant it right here, but it needs a little something extra. These LED lights are perfect. I'll wrap it around the pole. All done. My very own palm tree. I feel like I'm on a beach. He looks so innocent. Got them.
What? Harley! I need protection. She's gone too far this time. Ooh, this is my fortress. She'll never get in here. Not with my guard dog on patrol. She won't steal from me again.
I can't get near the chips.
Guard!
Oh, such a cute puppy. Get off me! Don't bite in my butt. I'm out of here. There's a reason I'm a cat person. Oh, what's this? I wonder if I can use this. Oh, I have a plan. I'll hang this mirror right here. And another here. Now I'll turn on the laser. This'll stop that dog. Whoa, look at that. So cool. Now I can go to sleep safe from the dog.
Ooh, doggy. Ooh, you know what to do. Go get her, boy.
Oh no! Every summer house needs a pool. This is going to be so much fun! I need to blow it up. Take a deep breath.
Whoa! Hurricane Harley! My house!
I'm getting dizzy. Whew, that was a soft landing. Now I need to feel the pool. This is my kind of pool party. This is amazing.
Let's make this pool party flop! Shh! Nice and quiet. Snip, snip! Hold on tight! Bye-bye!
Joker! Potato chips. Huh? Oh no, it's empty! I'm so hungry. I wish I had something to eat.
Wow! I need to get creative. I'm going to need this. Ooh, this is going well. But I need some string. I'll wrap it around the frame. It also needs some feathers. Ready? I'll catch her dreams.
Huh? Where did it... Wait!
Make it rain. Whoa! I like this type of shower. It's so yummy. Huh? Wow. Just like in Harley's dream. I'm going to enjoy this. Ah, a bee! Stay away from me. I have an allergy. Please don't sting me. Ah!
Joker! Oh, I can make a bigger one! That's what I need! I'm taking this. He needs a makeover. I love this color. Now for some ribbons. This is going to be perfect! Golden dream catcher. So beautiful! Let's go catch some dreams! Done! What should I dream of? Look at that food. It all looks delicious. I hope this works. Yay! Rain on me! Wow, so much candy! My favorite, home sweet home.
Joker thinks he's so clever.
Delicious. Whoops, I'm making a mess. Where are my melons?
It's not fair. Huh? I have an idea. I can use this. I'll just fold the sheets of paper over. Now I need to cut it. I'll make cuts all along the bottom. That should do it. Wow, this looks great. Where can I put it? Oh, here. Yellow is so lovely. I'll just tape it into place. Purple and pink suits me. Almost finished. There, that should do it. It's so heavy. Luckily, I'm strong. Look at the colors. It's perfect. It's such a stress relief. You do not need to be rich to make cool stuff.
Wow, looks good. That's it. Look at all this money. Woohoo! Not fun. I need to buy something. Let's see. Ah, this one. Okay, let's purchase it. Woo! I just love spending money. Ooh, express delivery. Ah, ooh, let's see what I got. No, not this. Ooh, squishy. Ooh, this is so relaxing. This is what's been missing in my life. It's so great. But I want more fun. Let's see what's inside. Oh, wow. I had enough. See ya.
Flamingo? So lame. I can make something cooler. Let's cut this bottle. Impressive, huh? I'll use this as a funnel. Can't forget the balloon. I'll stretch it open and place it over the bottle top. I need to fill it. Or this will be perfect. Look at the colors. Wow! Don't forget the toothpaste. I'll give it a good squeeze and pretend it's the Joker. I think that's enough. This is so fun. Something missing. Oh! True is my secret stash. I'll cut my stocking. This will be perfect. Whoa! I'll put put the balloon inside the stocking. Whoa, it's working! So satisfying! Joker? Hey, look what I made!
I have those myself! See? And I didn't have to make it!
Mine's much better!
Yeah, right! You wish! So embarrassing!